Hello there, class. My name's Tia Operney, and I'm going to be going over my 5 pieces of classic that I enjoy the most. I titled this section or Unit 6, The Love for Classics. And I do hope you guys enjoy. I am really interested in classic music. I have been since I was a child. It always, touching since I know classic music has grown for a long period of time from what it used to be, like Beethoven and Periage. So it has grown a lot on me, and I've been listening to it for quite some time. I used to listen to lullabies and things like that when I was a child, so this subject really interested me. Here we go. Our first piece is the O Fortuna by Eduardo Mata, composed by Carl Orff. It was composed in the year 1982, and the instruments used are flutes, oboes, clarinets, bassoons, concerto bassoons, horns, trumpets, trombones, tubas, pianos, celestas, strings, and of course the choir. And I do believe there are 2 choirs. The use of melody, harmony, and rhythm. The melody in this piece is very chaotic and hushed chanting. The harmony is very dense and is underneath the melody. They both run parallel with each other if you really listen to the entire thing. The rhythm is very simple and also repetitive. The lyrics means "Oh fate," and is a complaint about the inevitable power of fate. Here's a listen of what it sounds like. Okay. And my next piece is The Nutcracker Suite by Piotr Ilyich Tchaikovsky. I do believe I pronounced that right. It dates back to 1892, and here's a preview of it. It contains flutes, oboes, clarinets, bassoons, French horns, snare drums, the triangle, tambourine, violins, and double basses, but many instruments in this suite. Well, in the entire song in itself. This here is just a part of it. The use of melody, harmony, and rhythm. The melody is very soft and conjunct. The harmony, I would say, is really complex with this because they're using so many different instruments. The lyrics are instrumental. There are no vocal lyrics in this piece. Okay, and my next piece is The Barber of Seville by Guglielmo Rossellini. It dates back in 1813, and instruments used are only violins. Use of melody, harmony, and rhythm. The melody is very lighthearted, and the harmony itself is very versatile. I would say this melody is very disjunct because it skips over some notes. The lyrics are mostly instrumental. You do hear a bit of opera, Latin, I do believe. Okay, for my next piece, I have Beethoven's Figali number 25 in A minor. The artist is Beethoven, and it dates back to 1810. The instruments in this piece is only a solo piano. The use of melody, harmony, and rhythm. Melody is pleasant and is repeated. The rhythm in itself is repeated also. The lyrics, there are any speaking. There's only instrumental. Okay, and my next piece is The Four Seasons. Artist Antonio Vivaldi. Vivaldi. It dates back to 1723, and the instruments used is only a set of 4 violins representing the seasons. It has a very fast melody and is very disjointed. The harmony is very complex, and the rhythm is fast, slow, then fast again. As you can hear now, there are no lyrics and it is all instrumental. Alright, and that concludes my slideshow. Hope you guys did enjoy.